Tuples allow you to store several values together in a single value. It might seems like similar to other collection type like arrays, but they are different, and this is how. You cannot change the size or type of the tuple. They will always have the same type they are created with. So this is how a tuple will look like. Let me create a var name. I'll start with the parenthesis and I'll give first as Gourav and last as Nayyar. Okay, so you can access these items by the numerical position starting with 0. So if I want to access the very first position here, you could see I could get the value here, and you can also access it like name dot first. As I mentioned before, you cannot change the size and type a tuple is accepting, but you can change the value. So if I want to change the first name to any test name, so you could see this can be changed. But if I say name dot first, I'll try to give a int value, this will just fail. This is it for today. I'll see you in my next tutorial, and please don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you.